You know people who are suffering terribly from diabetes. Well, Trina Health has a new treatment which will provide renewed quality of life and freedom from the effects of diabetes. The Trina Health Treatment is the only clinically proven, safe, and effective way to slow, stop, and reverse the chronic complications of diabetes. After 27 years of development, 16 university clinical trials, and over 53 publications, people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes and their families are now able to get their lives back. All scientists agree that diabetes is not a disease of improper blood sugars, that's just a symptom. Diabetes is a disease of improper carbohydrate metabolism, and these people just can't process carbohydrates properly, which is the core problem of all diabetes. A normal pancreas delivers bursts of insulin to the liver via the portal vein, but people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes do not. The Trina Health Treatment works like a normal pancreas to provide bursts of insulin at specific pressures, which stimulate the liver to cause the cells in the whole body to process carbohydrates. With the Trina Health Treatment, the body can once again process energy from carbohydrates and heal itself using its own DNA encoding. Patients routinely experience cognitive and brain improvements, improved heart and cardiovascular functions, improved blood pressures, improved kidney functions even while on dialysis, reversal of painful neuropathy, and regaining sensation in their hands and feet, improved eyesight and reversal of retinopathy, healing of unhealing wounds, dramatically improved energy levels, gastrointestinal benefits, increased hypoglycemic awareness, and markedly increased overall quality of life.
Over a period of time, I suffer from severe depression, and my depression would make me stop taking my insulin medication, which only made it worse. And it just went down, down, down. I've actually been suicidal because of my diabetes. And after I started the treatments, my depression went away. And to not have to fear anymore, it's just wonderful. And that's so much better for my wife, too, because the depression affected her as much as it did me. But I don't get depressed anymore.
Because the Trina treatment stimulates your body naturally by replicating the natural bursts of a healthy pancreas, there are no side effects and no reported reactions.
Well, prior to learning about Trina Health, I had medication the doctor prescribed. I was trying to do the exercise, eating correctly, and it worked for a while, and then it didn't. After the first 2 treatments, I was able to sleep, which I had not done a full night's sleep, but I slept 5 solid hours without, getting up. And
as the body heals itself, the treatments are extended to once every 2 to 3 weeks. And during this time, the serious complications of diabetes dramatically improve.
So I had my first treatment, went home and took a 2.5-hour nap. And when I woke up, I said, there's something different. And I'm laying in bed, and all of a sudden I said, I don't hurt. Since I started going to Trina, I have noticed that I have a lot more energy. I have little or no leg pain. I can get out and do things that I haven't done in years. It is just a true joy to wake up every morning.
I didn't have the energy to do anything. I was having problems with my feet, with peripheral neuropathy. And I had a numbness and a burning sensation in my feet. I also have COPD, so I was having a very hard time breathing. After the treatments, I was able to go with my grandkids to the park, and I was able to do almost anything I wanted to do.
What's been the biggest benefit for me? I may not look it, but I feel younger because of Trina. I mean, truly, there were days when it was all I could do to drag myself to bed. You know, at the end of the day, it's only on you. If you don't make the effort, it's only on you that you don't get better, because Trina gives you, in all probability, Trina will give you a positive result if you will give them a chance.
Of course, the ultimate goal is that someday there will be a total cure for diabetes. But in the meantime, Trina Health Treatment provides a restoration and a maintenance of good health, and that gives our patients a second bite of the apple. For more information on the Trina Health Treatment, or to find a clinic nearest you, visit trinahealth.com or call 916-550-1050. Medicare and most major insurance accepted.